Good evening, how are you? Welcome to LTN Property Show, a show that comes every Saturday from 6:30 p.m. on Lolwe Tv with me, Sharon Ongao. Today I'm coming from a very nice and beautiful show house. Where I am is called Golden Century. Just from the term golden, you can even see from the props. The props are already inviting me. They are golden, as the name speaks. This is Golden Century, located along Othaya Road here in Nairobi. I'll be taking you through this beautiful show house. Where I'm coming from is a 4-bedroom apartment. Here they have 3 and 4-bedroom apartments. Today, I'll start by showcasing what comes with the house. Come with me. I'll showcase, and then thereafter, I'll tell you what comes with every place in this house, what comes with every unit, so that if you are an investor and you'd like a property from this place, you'll be able to purchase. Just from the door, there's a foyer, the main foyer that I'm coming through, like the other side. Here is the dining room. I'm starting from the dining room, not because I love food, but because it's near to where I was standing. This is the dining place. From the dining place, you're able to access the living area. There's some people call it sitting room, but me, I choose living area because this is a very cozy place and it's a very nice and high-end apartment. Othaya Road is in Kileleshwa, just next to Othaya Road is so close. If you're coming from Valley Arcade, Lavington, Othaya Road is just the road opposite or next to that place. Now, my favorite place in the house is always the kitchen. This kitchen is so spacious, you guys. As you can see, it's very, very spacious. It comes with different installed things. There's a microwave here, there's a fridge. As you can even see the size of the fridge, so spacious and large enough. Even a 2-door can fit. This fridge is so spacious, by the way. And also with the cupboards, it comes with cupboards. You guys, and the color white in a kitchen. I love me some white color in the kitchen. Why so? Because the kitchen should be clean, and when it's white, at least you'd see the different varieties of spots. It comes with a cooker, and the cooker is fixed. And guys, if it's a 4-bedroom apartment, definitely the family must be a large family, so to speak. And how many burners are there? These are like 5 burners. It's a very functional. It comes with different drawers, cupboards. They're there. So nice, so unique. And also the machine, the utensils washer, or how is it called? It's a utensil. You can wash your utensils from here. It comes fixed. The sink with the 2 different large sinks, which also a plus. When you go on this other side is like a wash area where after washing your clothes, you can even hang them. If you have a machine, there's like this tap over here. You can wash your clothes. If you have a machine, you can connect the machine from this other point. There's a socket on this other side. You can connect your machine there and wash your clothes and aerate them. If you want to aerate them, you can as well put washing lines in here so that your clothes can air dry. On the other side, I'll take you through, but not now. The other side is like a DSQ. If you have guests or you have nannies, you can put them on the other side so that they can chill. Now, apart from the dining area that I took you through, there's this open place next to the kitchen where you can use as a first place where you take your breakfast, a quick fix. A very quick one. You can have your drinks with friends over here. If you have friends, there is not a must that you have to sit on the couches or on the dining set. You can have a quick one here. Even breakfast, when you're late for work or you're running your errands late, you can take your things from here. Maybe you're conversing with mama when she is cooking so that you can be catching up on how your day was like. Now, on to the bedrooms. I'll start with the first bedroom. Remember, this is a 4-bedroom apartment and all bedrooms are all en-suite. When I mean all en-suite, it comes with a bathroom and a toilet. Nothing more. The uniquest part is just like the French windows. I used to call them floor to ceiling windows, but it's called French windows. This allows natural light into the room. How unique is this? When it's daytime, you don't have to light. You don't have to have your bulbs on. It comes also with like I told you, it's all en-suite, comes with everything. The bathroom cubicle is here, the wash area. Look at that. Look at that sink, so unique, you guys. And I love everything about this house when it comes to the color scheme that they given, the theme of the house, white and kind of gray. It's so special. Here can fit even a big bed, even a 6x6 queen size, you name it. And the wardrobes, many spaces you can put your things, very many spaces, as ladies normally love a house with a lot of spaces. Look at that. Look at the drawers down there. You also have another side drawers, all this here. You can be arranging your things, your shoes, you name it. The style is yours. If you have an interior decor, a plus for you. Onto the second bathroom. Before the second bedroom, there's a common washroom, by the way, so that when you have visitors, they don't have to go through the bedroom in order to access the washroom. Now there's a common washroom over here. Next to the second bedroom also is spacious, as you can see. It's just like the designs is now a little bit different, like how the bed is placed, but it comes with everything like the first bedroom. It's also all en suite. The windows, floor to ceiling window, enough storage spaces. There's a wall here, you can work out magic on it, by the way, if it's interior decor. You can even have your TV over here. You never know, you entertain your guests. If there's like a bedroom where you want your kids to sleep in, you can always design it onto their taste. If it's a girl, blush pink, you know, if it's a boy, blue, you name it. The interior decor, you can decorate it by your own. Onto the third bedroom. The third bedroom is also the same as the other rooms. There's with terms of size, floor to ceiling window. You can always design it the way you like. Also, it has like the washroom area all en suite, so that when you're sleeping in here, you don't have to go outside. You can accommodate guests. If you have a big family, they don't have to go outside or to other common wash areas, okay? And also the bed is also big, by the way. This is like a queen size bed, but it can fit a 6x6 bed. The wardrobes are still the same. The very same wardrobes, the way the other wardrobes are. Very spacious, as you can see. Very spacious. You can always arrange your things the way you want to. Okay, muscles. More spaces down there. Yeah, so nothing much special about it apart from the space, which is so good. And oh, by the way, before I forget, I was almost forgetting about the views. How could I? You guys, we're in a very posh place. This is Kileleshwa, and you can see your neighborhood is also posh. Like there is no noise. There's no noise coming. The neighborhood is so silent. There's no noise coming from outside. And also this place is also very cozy. And even when it comes to public transport, not as much. So meaning there are no matatu noise, and so to speak. Now, on to the master room. You guys are going to come and show you. I hope you're not missing any point. Before I even enter the master room, there's this storage location here. This is a water heater. So remember, when you're at this place, your water, if you like it cold or hot, it's upon you. And it's well designed. You'll never know. In the first essence, I thought it was a wardrobe, and it's not a wardrobe. Now, onto the master bedroom. You guys, let me just take you through this room. This is the most spacious room in this apartment. Very spacious. Even the camera is not doing justice to this room. This room is so spacious, and you can style it the way you want to style it. And even when it comes to matter of styling, even the apartments, they even outdo themselves. Look at these furnitures. Very high-end and top-notch. Meaning you as an investor, when you're coming at this place, at least you have an idea of what you're coming to and how you want to style your home. Very spacious. Look at the bed, look at the decors. Very spacious. And the wardrobes, they're so large and they're so big. Look at that. From here till there. These are storage spaces, his and hers. You can decide Mama will take this other side and you'll take the other side. And you still have more storage spaces here. Tell me if this is not a win. Tell me if this is not a win for you. If this is not a plus. Very spacious, you guys. Whether you have many clothes, your designer clothes, you can have every designer clothes from every given factory and company. You can always store them here. Very nice, very cozy. I love me such kind of stuff. Very high-end, very nice. And the window floor to ceiling, very, very nice, you guys. Look at your window. If you come to purchase a house at this place, look at the window. Even the environment itself, when you're looking from outside, it gives you motivation. So cool, so fresh. The neighborhood is also so very, very clean. And one thing I loved about this master bedroom, apart from the spaciousness, you guys, you haven't seen it. Hey, come with me to the washroom. I even thought this is a place where I can relax comfortably. Look at that. I got surprised. If you buy an apartment here, a 4-bedroom apartment, this is a jacuzzi, my friends. This is a jacuzzi. You get a 6-star treatment, not even 5-star, a 6-star treatment right from your home. Even if you go to those luxurious places like hotels, already you know at your place you have these places. So it's just an icing on the cake. Everything, look at how special it is. I can even hold a meeting in my bathroom, so it's so special, very, very special. Look at the color themes. White, lots of storages still, lots of storages. The cubicle can even fit the two of you as a couple. You can come, shower, have some good time together. The mirror in itself, a very smart mirror, very, very nice, you guys, very, very nice. And I think on that note, I'm taking a short break. Thereafter, I'm coming back to tell you the elephant in the room, the costs and pricings of houses in this place. Don't go away. Welcome back to the Property Show. If you're joining us, this is the LTN Property Show that comes every Saturday from 6:30 p.m. on Lolwe Tv with me, Sharon Ongao. The first episode, I took you through the beautiful house. Now where I am is the sitting stroke living room. Because this is a cozy place and a cozy area, I'd prefer to call it a living room. So functional, so spacious, and everything in it. Kwanza the seats, oh my goodness. So nice. I feel so nice. So I'll tell you much more about this apartment. And I, at least so that I won't forget anything, I had put my notes in order so that I won't forget. So to speak, this is Golden Century Apartments located on Othaya Road. Now, it has a total of 108 units, 3 and 4 bedroom apartments. Where I am in this show house, this is a 4-bedroom apartment. Let me tell you about the amenities that comes with this house. When you buy this apartment, you get these amenities. There's a gym, there's a swimming pool, there's a kids play area, which is very, very important because your kids have to play so that they can socialize with others, right? There's a generator that is fully backed up, meaning whether there's a blackout or no blackout, you always have power. Is that not a good thing? Also, there's security. Security is so paramount in every house. Security should even be a number one consideration. There are CCTV cameras everywhere. So with security, you're so sure about safety in this place. Another thing, because this is a 4-bedroom apartment, definitely this is a family house. There are different parking lots in this place. There are 3 levels of parking lots. Imagine 3 levels of parking lots. First, second, and third. It's like 3rd floor. 3 floors parking lot. Now you can imagine. So if whether you have a very big family, you have friends, family, or relatives coming over, you shouldn't be stressed about parking area. Apart from that, water. Water is so essential. Here, they have boreholes that is drilled in this apartment. And also there's a kanjo. Kanjo ni ile maji ya city council. Now there's city council water and also borehole water. Meaning, water is in plenty. there is no water shortage here. That's also a plus. Apart from the amenities on this place, let's talk about the social amenities. When you buy an apartment here, what are some of the social amenities? First and foremost, it's next to a clinic called Gertrude's Hospital. Gertrude's Hospital is just next here. Very, very essential. When you're buying a property, ensure you are next to hospitals and schools. There are schools like international schools all over the place. We are next to Lavington, very nice schools, British system, Kenyan, 844, whatever. There are different types of schools. Your choice with the type of schools that you choose. Apart from that, there's shopping centers. You don't need like to drive or have a cab or borrow a cab or or call for a cab in order to go to the shopping centers. We have we have a lot of shopping centers just on Othaya Road, by the way, so it's a plus. Now, I know some of you might be asking, Sharon, you've been taking us to these show houses, and how about the price? Is the elephant in the room in the price? As I've shown you, the house is so beautiful. For a 3-bedroom apartment, costs 19.9 million Kenya shillings only. It's safe to add only, because this apartment is so nice. 19.9 million Kenya shillings for a 3-bedroom apartment. If you want a 4-bedroom apartment from this place, just like this show house that I've showcased, the show house, if you want a replica of it, it's 25 million. I was about to add a point, but it's 0.0. 25 million Kenya shillings. But if you're purchasing, like I've shown you from the show house, it's not like it's coming with the furniture and everything that you've seen. It's coming empty. So have that at the back of your mind. 25 million for 4-bedroom apartment and 19.9 million Kenya shillings for 3-bedroom apartment. I'd vouch for this place. So if you're an investor, you want to invest, if you're a family person, you want to buy for your family, this is a place to be. And with that marks the end of today's property show. I believed you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed it. It's always my pleasure taking you through these high-end places, and even according to your budget, I normally take you through different properties. With that marks the end of today's property show. Do have yourselves a lovely evening. Until next week, same time, same place. My name is Sharon Ongao. Goodbye.